Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, Kindred Souls of Brooklyn, and welcome to another episode of Brooklyn Secrets. Well, got an awesome secret for you today, and it concerns New York City pizza, the water tunnel number 3, which is due to open up in 2026. So stay tuned, hope you enjoy it. So everyone knows that New York City pizza is the best in the absolute world, but how can it possibly be better? Well, you know the reason for New York City pizza and bagels and Italian bread, the reason why it's so good is because the water comes from upstate New York. And here, water, right? But the water comes from upstate New York, but in 2026, the water tunnel number 3 is going to be open. Now, the first water tunnel was opened in 1917, second one in 1936. So New York City's been using, and when I say New York City, I mean Brooklyn, Queens, all the surrounding boroughs, has been using those 2 water towers, or those 2 water tunnels, all those years, and hasn't been a new one. Well, since 1970, the largest public project ever in New York City history is the building of this 3rd water tunnel. And it's going to be complete in 2026. And when they turn the water on this one, it's going to be amazing because the pizza is even going to be better. So I feel sorry for places out there like Detroit and Chicago, even though their pizza is really good, it still doesn't compare to New York City's pizza. In 2026, New York City's pizza is going to be even better, if you could possibly believe that. So for those of you guys who love to look toward the future and love some good news and can't wait to hear something positive for the future, because there's always negative things going on in the world, 2026, your pizza in New York City is even going to be better than ever before, and it's going to be something great to look forward to. Now, I've done a couple of videos on water tunnel number 3. You can look that up, or you can look it up for yourself, or you could just say, who cares? New York City pizza, New York City breads are the best in the world. Everything's going to get better in 2026. Hopefully everything else in the world will get better in 2026 and way before that. So until then, we got a lot to look forward to, and can't wait to see what happens. So love you guys. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and look forward to that pizza. Take care. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.